Welcome to the channel, guys. So as the title and thumbnail says, we are going to be generating NFTs with a website. So if you are watching this video, you don't have any technical skill, or you are not a programmer, you can't code, or you have an option, that is to generate an NFT with this website. The website we are on is called Unique NFTs, and they say they are a no code NFT collection generator. In my previous video, I showed us how we could do the same thing using Photoshop by installing a script that will automatically run this NFT collection and generate and download it for you. I'm going to still use the same file I used in my previous video. In my folder, you can see we have these three characters and the elements stored in a folder. I'm going to go back to the website where I'm going to click on create my NFTs. Then once it loads up, you're going to see a platform or a page that looks like this. At the left corner, you're going to see the layer, content layers, which is where we are going to be working on. This content layers is going to be arranged depending on how you stack your own layers. The list or the layer at the back comes first. So the layer at the back of our NFT is known as the background. I'm going to name that the background and click on the plus sign. The next layer is the base character, which I'll also write down and click on the plus sign. You can keep doing this to add up all the layers in your own different collection. The next on my collection is the clothes. I'm going to click on that too, and I have the eyes, and that's all the layers I have. I have a total of 4 layers for my NFT. So in my folder, I'm going to click on all the layers that has the background that will be used for the background. I'm going to select all of them, and I'm simply going to drag and drop onto the web page. And once you do that, you're going to see all your layers. You can use this slider to adjust the rarity. So a lower percentage means it will appear less compared to the other elements. In the base character, I only have one base character. I'm going to go to my file manager and drag that to and drop onto the website. We have only one base character. No matter how you adjust the slider, it's still going to be at 100%. The next is for the clothes. I'm going to still go to my file and select the clothes I'm using for this NFT. And I'm going to still drag and drop. And you can see we have the 4 different clothes. I'm going to increase the rarity of the white and go ahead and do the same for the eyes. I'm going to select the eyes. We have 3 eyes as well. I'm going to drag that to and drop, and we have the 3 eyes. So once you are satisfied with the rarity and your element, you can go ahead and preview the NFT. You can see that once we preview it, it's going to show us what one of these NFTs will look like. So that's how one of these NFT will look like once automatically or randomly generated. If you're okay with that, you can go ahead and click on generate collection. It's going to ask you for some details. I'm going to fill in the details, the collection size, the name of your NFT. For this NFT, I'm going to name it the Rage Gorillas. And you can write whatever that is in your description. I'm going to make a quick one, the Rage Gorilla Collection. Then in the collection size, you have to choose how many collections you want. Since we have a low amount of traits, I'm going to go with 50, but this can go as high as 100. But one thing you have to know is above 100, you are going to have to pay some token, or the NFTs are going to be watermarked a little at the top. It's not going to be very visible. You can also bear with that, but just bear it in mind that if you go above 100 using this website, you will have to pay a token to remove those watermarks from your NFT. So I'm going to just go ahead and click on the generate collection, and our collection will be generated. So guys, I'm going to speed things up from here so that we can show how it downloads and what happens once it's completed. Once it's completed, it's going to require you to put an email, and you should be able to download that after inputting your email. I'm going to input my email there, and you will see that it downloads a zip file onto your system. So once it is completed, I'm going to view the file, and you can see we have our zip file here. I'm going to go ahead and extract that. You will need a WinRAR app to do that. If you don't have one, you cannot download this for free. So I'm going to extract the zip file, and here we have it, guys. So I've downloaded our NFT collection. Now I'm going to go ahead and upload this onto some of the marketplaces if I want to. But I think I'll be giving out these NFTs for free. All you have to do is to like this video, be a subscriber, and comment your wallet on the bottom of this video, and you will get one of these gorilla if you are the first 50 people to comment. So I really appreciate you watching up to this point, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's grow the channel.